Today I am deep cleaning my kitchen. Everyone does this differently, but this is my way, so I thought I would start with the countertops and just give them a good scrub. First I'm going to take everything off and then I'll start cleaning them. And yes, I have a Christmas apron, so happy holidays. My stovetop has some scratches, unfortunately, but I'm just going to wipe it down really well. So now I'm just going to put everything back on this countertop. Comment below, do you guys have a candy dish that you keep in your kitchen? And if you do, what kind of candy do you keep in it? So now it's on to the coffee counter, and I know it would be nice to take this Keurig completely off the counter and clean underneath it, but the cord is so tightly stretched to the behind the refrigerator to plug it in that I can't reach back there and unplug it and move the Keurig, so I just kind of work around it and move it around to get underneath it. And now I'm just going to put everything back. My family and our chocolate donuts, we cannot live without them. So now it's time to sweep and hopefully pick up any crumbs that got knocked off when I was wiping the counters off. So this is definitely one of the dirtiest part of the kitchen. It's underneath our table where we eat all the time, and it just really gets kind of gross. So we have to clean this part really well. I love the smell of this Method wood floor cleaner. It's an almond smell. I love it. Now I want to get this table clean really well because this is the one we eat at the most. Even though it's the smaller of our two tables, we just end up eating here all the time. And Method also makes a wood table cleaner, and this smells really good too. Anybody with kids, well, smaller kids, knows the reason I'm about to clean these chairs the way I am, because they always get sticky, little hands all over them, so I'm going to wipe these down really well. It is so satisfying to me after I clean something to light a candle. Now I'm going to wipe down all the appliances. This takes a few extra minutes, but with kids and fingerprints and everything else, it really makes a difference to take the time to do this. So the last step is to wipe down all these cabinet door handles, because it really, with kids, we've got sticky door handles or kind of like crumbs stuck on them and stuff, and I just use one of the Lysol wipes to wipe them down, especially the ones down lower where the kids are, but even the ones that are higher where the adults are. It's just nice to sanitize the kitchen. Unfortunately, you're not going to get to see me mop the rest of the kitchen floor because my camera battery died, but I'll show you the finished product.